Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make a live trading session using FxCoinbot trading software, and I will try to give you some tips and tricks, to be profitable with this trading software. So stay here, don't go on until the end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So that being said, let's go. Alright, so I'm inside my dashboard of FxCoinbot trading software, and for those of you who don't know what FxCoinbot is, FxCoinbot, it is a trading software based on a Chrome extension. So you need to have Chrome installed on your browser if you want to use this trading software, and it's very stable because of this Chrome extension. Here is the navigation tabs: dashboard, extension, brokers, favorite instruments, news, profile, logout. You can watch my previous videos if you want to know what's all about. And I want to go straight on the tradings right now and choose our trades. We need to choose assets with more than 70% probability, and we have here Euro GBP, which is it's 72.24. Let's choose this one. From here we choose the lot in volume, and I will choose it. I will set it at 1. Choose my broker, which is Global X. As you can see already, the stop loss, this signal has expired. Let's choose another one, that's no problem. AUD USD, let's choose AUD USD, which is a buy. Stop loss, as you can see, stop loss is set at 70 pips and take profits at 73 pips, and the probability is 73%, 74 almost. And this signal is based on indicator MACD, moving average, Ikimoku, and news, related news, Australia Melbourne Institute inflation for September, and so on. You can see it right here, but now we concentrate on this trade. So this sale expired also. We have here Euro USD, which is 80%, and the stop loss is set at it's a buy. The stop loss is set at 78% and take profit 175. So let's go make the trade after the signal will expire. Everything is set and invest. Good. So we have the trade here. As you can see, we have the trade here, Euro USD, and it's better to move very fast when you choose these trades. And as you can see, they are expiring very fast. So let's go and choose another one as a part of our strategy. Let's write down the trades, and let's go and see another one. Let's take US dollar Japanese yen, Global X, 1532 pips, trade. Alright, so you have it here, US dollar Japanese yen, it's a buy and invest. Order successful placed. And we have it down here, US dollar Japanese yen. Let's go back to the dashboard and choose another one. We have Euro GBP, which is 80%, 79% probability, winning probability. The stop loss is set. Choose your broker, one, and trade. Okay, everything is set, and invest. Order successful. We have it here Euro GBP, it's a buy, and everything here. This is the nicest part of this trading software, that you can see all the trades here, down here. Let's go back to the dashboard and choose another one. We have GBP USD, it's a sell. Choose your broker, one lot in volume and trade. GBP USD, everything is set as you can see, and invest. Order successful, and as you can see we have it here, it's a sell. Let's go back to the dashboard again. It's very, as you can see, this trading software, it is very newbie friendly. It's, I don't know, I think even for a child it's easy to use this software. Just go here, choose the asset, and that's it. And let's choose this one, US dollar Swiss franc. It's with 89 probability. Let's choose your broker. This is the only thing you have to do. Here you set your lot in volume and click on trade button, and that's it. That's it, all you have to do. And here in the next page, the only thing you have to do is to click on invest, and the order is placed. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 trades open. Last one is US dollar Swiss franc, it's a buy. We have 4 buys and 1 sell. Okay, these are the trades for the moment. I will be back to you when the trades will be finished. Stay here, don't go, I'll be back in a minute. Hi everyone, so I'm back with the today's trading session results, and as you can see here, it was a very profitable trading session with a profit of 426.93 euros. This is absolutely phenomenal, and as you can see, all the trades were in the money. All the trades were in the money, but we have different results, as you can see right here on the bottom of the page, where are all the results of this trading session. And all you can do is go to check the economic calendar, then go to the dashboard page, choose your assets, choose the assets, choose the trades, the signals with more than 70% winning ratio, and just click on trade, and that's it. You'll see the results that I am seeing right now. So, and the most incredible part of this trading session is that I've made this profit in less than 20 minutes. In 20 minutes here, as you can see here, it's the created time at 2:23 and the close time 2:33 in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes I earn 10 minutes trade. I have a profit of more than 400 euros. This is incredible. So let's take every trade in part and see what was happening. As you can see here, we have US dollar Swiss franc and an open price of 0.99098 and a close price of 0.99153. It was a buy, and we have 50 euro profit. The second one, GBP USD, it was an open price of 1.20804 and the close price of 1.20621. It was a sell, and with a 166 euro profit. This is incredible. The third one, it was Euro GBP, it was a buy, an open price of 0.19840 and a closed price of 0.19988 and a profit of 163.19 euros. The fourth one is USD, US dollar Japanese yen. It was a buy, an open price of 106.366 and a close price of 106.5 0.418 and a 44.57 euros. And the last one, this is €1 gain. It was a buy euro USD and it was a buy. So if I go to my GlobalX the broker dashboard, you will see that my profit increased from it was last time it was 900, now it's 1,400 euros. So what's in the FxCoinbot dashboard trading software, it's reflected into my GlobalX broker account. Okay, so if you want to join FxCoinbot and also make such results as I did today, the only thing you have to do is go below this video in the description area, and there you'll find the link. It's already, there are online some fake websites which are copying, and they are scams and they will cheat you. Scam site like fxcoinbot.co and so on. The exact the official website, you'll find it below this video in the description area. And what you need to do also, because there might be some cookies that are in your back of your in the back of your Chrome browser, you need to go here on the history, click here history, and here you need to clear your browsing data. Click on clear your browsing data, and here cookies, you check cookies. Now you don't have to delete browsing history or cached images. You click here on cookies on other sites and clear data, and that's it. You'll be ready to go. And then click on the link below this video and you're ready to go to use GlobalX in order to make a very good profit every day using this trading software. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.